All right, we're in Letterland on Unit 17 in your packet. We're working on the long I and the long O with Magic E. Remember, with Magic E, his sparks go across one letter, which will then turn Ippy Ink into Mr. I, which will then turn Oscar Orange into Mr. O. We do have some other things that are coming up that you need to understand about our unit as far as with two new character things. Sorry, I'm coming to get this. Now, we have Walter Walrus and Mr. Robot. Mr. Robot loves to steal sounds, and because he steals sounds, he's going to steal Walter Walrus's sound. So when you see the WR, all Walter Walrus can do is stay silent, and Mr. Robot goes, woo, woo. Then we have Magic E. Well, Magic E decides that he's going to give his magic to Mr. I because he's ready to take a rest. And when he does at the end of the words, this magic still jumps across, as you can see in writing, and has that I to turn I. As far as with our words, please make sure that you take the list and you read the current week's list. These are the words that are listed. Make sure that your child understands that Magic E is turning Ippy Ink into Mr. I as they sound out bike, 5, and remember right here, it's not going to talk, for right, ride, riding, with that Magic E making that Mr. I. Also here with Magic E turning Oscar O into Mr. O in rope, hope, home, close, and again the magic is switching to Mr. I. Magic E's coming there to make that Mr. O for closing. We do have 3 tricky words. We always talk about what makes a word tricky. Would, it's not going what, what, would. O, he's going, O, clock, where this is saying O and not ah. And your, where you got the OR, making that sound there. We do have the sentences. Please make sure that they understand that when a sentence ends with a question mark, it is asking us something. So this sentence is asking us, would you let me ride your bike? Also remember with this sentence, it ends with a period. And a period means it's telling us something. So it's telling us the shop will close at 5 o'clock. It's using those words. With the packet, make sure, with the packet, make sure that you are going over the tricky words and list A. If you want to do the review words and then additional B and C, that's great. These are the sentences that I just went over. We have one sort that you're working on that they can cut the words and paste. We have the tricky words for them to trace twice and then write again 2 more times. Then they put them in the fill the blank to match that makes sense. Now, this is the word detective. With the word detective, if you have any words that have OE, let them color those words green. Any words with I, Magic E, and E, let them color those words red. They can read those sentences too. And the last one, again, is the sort. You have the sort list, and they can take that off and sort them according to how it goes here. Notice this one has 5 sorts to it. Magic E to make Mr. I, Magic E for Mr. I again with ING, Magic E with Mr. O, Magic E with Mr. O with ING, and then your tricky words. Usually what the kids do is take one word at a time, write it in, and mark it out. Please make sure to have this packet completed, and if any questions, make sure that you let us know on Class Dojo. Text us, or of course, email. Thank you.